Railfanning video. This Railfanning video, we are on the CPKC subdivision at mile 85.1. Yeah, I just missed a train, but there should be another one coming. I think he's gonna be westbound. So yeah, see how much trains we can get in this video. Roll on to your next clip. Roll it. Oh, it's speeding up quite a bit. You can hear it.
CP detector. Mile 85.2. Nippy gone. 8 degrees. Axle 454. No alarms. Mile 85.2. Out.
Okay guys, so that was that train. So roll on to next clip. Roll it. It's cool. Let's get the defect detector.
CP detector. Mile 85.2. Nippy gun 10 degrees. Axle 432. No alarms. Mile 85.2 out.
Okay guys, so that was that train. Sounds like he's already honking at that crossing right now. Here's a short one. So yeah, see how much more trains you can get in this video. Roll on to your next clip. Roll it. Okay guys, so this is gonna wrap it up for today's Railfanning grabs. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn our notification bells on. And yeah. Hope you guys liked the video, and see you guys all in my next videos. Bye.